Guys, alam niyo ba may... Wala naman ako nabili sa lane na to.
Dito ba tayo? Wala tayong nabili. Ikaw na ko. Ano bibilin mo?
Hindi ko bet.
No, I-N-T but don't you know there is a me. It doesn't seem somebody like me. Wala nga tatagdag. Hindi ka naman natutuwa. Anger ka na. Anger mode. Awesome way. Down me. I promise that you'll never find another like me. Hala. Ganda ito.
Hindi ba din na-upload?
Gumawa ka sarili yung ID.
Guys, alam ka.
Nakakasino naman. Ilan na? Ha?
Hi guys!
Hindi pag-delusional.
Parang ano rin kayo eh. Nanggagatong.
Pero sa mga binuno din.
Oo.
Hi guys.
Sinisigan ko.
Saturday today and as you can see we're waiting for the lift. Wow, for the lift. Ito na. And let's see here. Hanggang talaga din. 36 tapos 95 tayo. So celebrate kami ng birthday Liz. 36 yung highest. And wala pa si Liz dito.
Surprise namin siya.
May ano pa siya? Surprise! Sorry! Eh, palakita pala tayo dun.
Hi guys!
Hi everyone! Thank you for calling. Yeah.
No, it's a no. Thank you. Ako na net.
Hello po, papasok.
Ayun po.
Ah, talaga ba? Ako ba yung nag-close?
Kaya
talaga ng post.
uy, gogi to lang na
Turn mo natin here. Studio to, no? Studio lang to, no? Dati may mirror.
I can feel you holding my world. Oh shucks,
Kita! Let's go! Forward, men! Atras tayo, Ben. Ano?
Maloy!
Nagkapusan. Teka, ayaw tayo pa. Ay! Walang problema.
Laging makakasama.
Lagi nang umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi-lagi naiisip kita. Lagi-lagi pag-ibig na naman.
Gusto niyo?
Gusto ko namang malaman. Ano ba ang katotohanan? I'm ready to be your face to say ayoko umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapapigyan? Iwag sinumigil niya ba? Kanyang tunay na pagtingin. Bakit ang puso ay malamig? Sa dingding na ng pag-ibig. Sa dingding. Baka binigyan siya.
Biga. Ulit.
Sulit din kulit. Pakita mo yan.
Magpapapicture siya kanina.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Tropiko. Baka bini talaga yan.
Naalala yung susunod dyan or lagi?
Ba't lagi? Lagi rin. O hindi sila.
Baka si Derek.
Hi guys! Welcome to my coffee.
Pero kasi pag landscape, mas madami yung kita.
Who knows if they're bloodshot from the tears of the chlorine? I hear every breath and all the spaces in between.
Nakawawa naman. So,
Now the cars getting human, baby. You said I was stupid to let your heart never use it. Well, you can take it up with Cupid, but I'm all yours for now. And I can make it right somehow. I'm all yours
Tanggalin ko na ba yung plastic?
what?
for now.
Kasi paano niya iuwi yan?
Nakikita mo ba?
Made you lie
Pero nandiyan daw si Dito.
when I almost made you rain.
Hinanap ko kayo Miss Liliana.
When the sprinklers started the golf course later.
Alam ko, yung nagsawa mo. Hindi lang.
Dug it cool,
Saan nilagay yung ano
feel
niya?
like we
Ang damit na.
burning out and the thunder
Ay, sinabi niya. Permission.
didn't have much time. Now the cars getting human, baby. You said I was stupid to have your heart. Never used
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What? It's it. Happy birthday to you.
Ikaw mo yan.
Happy Buhangin, check. Kasi walang ano. Wala akong kasi iba.
change your mind back down. Getting human, baby. You said I was too good to have your heart. Never use it, but you can take it up with Cupid. I'm yours now, and I can make it right somehow.
Parang ang tagal natin na naging first time out of our ilang years na nagkaroon. 10 years? Ngayon lang din ako sinurprise.
Yeah.
Silvita lang. Silvita lang. Happy sa'yo.
First time ka pala sa receive lang.
Thank you so much.
Walang ano.
Biglang nabura iyong naibinta.
Wala kang mahanap ng yelo, share lang namin. Pangatlo na to. Ano iniinom, tubig, tutubigin. Wala na ngang ano eh. Wala na nga masyadong chaser eh.
Wala nang chaser, wala pa ano. Ano to?
Yung mga babae doon, naiwan na namin guys, we miss you.
Pretty girls.
Ano?
So, yeah.
Uy, we're going back sa may area, around the area. Kasi wala pa rin ng yelo.
Yes.
Si Liz doon, wala na. Malamig na yung mga pinag-order namin na. Tapos na nga yung soft drinks, wala pang yelo.
Oo pala. Malamig naman yung
In our
Sprite.
AJ, yes.
OTD is sleepwear na.
Tapos mamaya naka-slay.
The transition.
So,
From pang
gusto niyo bang marinig?
sleepwear tapos
Ang
pang slay.
mga kwento. Yo, bueno lang.
Totoo.
Wala lang to guys. So yun nakikita ko.
Yes.
Dito kami maghahanap. Kasi nagtanong kami sa store kanina. Sabi sa intersection daw. So, hopefully, ito na yung intersection natin natukoy. Kasi, baka maligaw na kami. Babalik pa namin yung tropa namin. Doon, birthday niya, iniwan namin. Tama ba yun? Pero yeah, we're just gonna update you if makahanap kami. Sana makahanap kami kasi we badly need ice.
Yes.
Ice. Stay. Approaching.
Sana birthday wish ka na ni Lisa may elo.
Oo, kahit pa yelo. Pabasag ka naman. Ito. Ayan. Yung ating spelling. Dahil, close your eyes. Sisiyo. Sisiyo. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone.
We finally got the goods. Wow, aka the yellow that we've been looking for. Like
Yes, it's been minutes. I think.
Siguro good 5 minutes na. Pero
Yeah.
when you really want things to happen,
You have to go for it.
Ano sinabi? Ano to podcast?
Totoo.
Pili ko ang haba na itong vlog. Anyway, this is just how we bond.
Banding is maganap ng yelo
Yeah.
during summer. Yes.
As a local.
Totoo.
Welcome to Cubao.
Grabe yung 20 pesos.
Anyway, Cubao.
20 pesos na yelo.
Enough kaya?
I think yes. For
I think
1
ang
liter.
gulo niya. Hindi siya stable. Just like
Yung video.
Totoo. Anyway, let's go na. Let's run for our life.
Time check. May dinner na kami and ice.
8:45.
This is our dinner. Healing our inner child.
Oo, with Jollibee. Jolly Chicken.
Nakakaganto na kasi kami dati pag ano.
Pag Christmas
Hindi na alam yung natin. Hi guys, so we're about to leave this room and we're just gonna take a snap. So yeah, this is how I sound like when
Pag mo ako
I'm...
eh.
Wait!
Masyado kang
Go!
Oh, pag ganyan ka onte. Sige na.
Kasi nakikita aircon, dito tayo.
Yan.
Pag lumako. Compress ka ba?
Tapos medyo, usag mo yung mukha mo. Oo, yan. Usag mo yung mukha mo.
Hi, so this is us taking some few snaps before we leave, and actually nag-take din kami ng TikTok video. But anyway, I feel like hopping in this video, and just to let you know guys, I really appreciate this kind of moments, and I am keeping this clip raw as it is because this vlog may seem like an extravagant vlog and a lot of things happen and you guys are about to witness the fun part, but I would say in every single moment that I get to spend with my friends, in every hangout session with them, it's always the mundane things that I really appreciate. Just like this, we are just taking videos but it's full of laughters. We are just happy to take photos and video, and yeah, as a sentimental guy, I really want things to be documented. I really want something that I can look back to. I really want, for things to be stored. And maybe this is your reminder to spend more time with your friends, because I acknowledge the fact that life at 20s is gonna be full of transition, and we actually don't have the assurance who's gonna be there with us while we are still figuring out life, who's gonna support us and cheer for us when we are winning, and who's gonna stay when we are, in our losing season. But I really appreciate those people who wants to stay and chose to spend more time even though it's convenient for them. And yeah, may you also find the heart to do the same. So yeah, let us live life to the fullest.
Do I go back to what happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? Do I go back to the start?
Ang gaganda naman.
Hi guys! Update.
Hi everyone.
So we're about to leave the
This
hotel.
is us.
Drunk.
Oh, this
This is us
Yeah.
without any shot.
Yeah, medyo ano na kami. Boosh!
Ay, hindi,
This is
meron
us
na
without
pala.
trouble.
At 12,
This is us
around
with one,
12.
With
just
one,
one
yes. 1 liter of Jessamine.
1 liter.
Waiting for more.
Alright.
Dahil mahina ako na tumutumbo ka na.
Don't know what the fuck
Come on.
Okay, we're back.
friends after 2 years of Moyang. Nag-okay pa kami.
Magdidiwata pa
2 times
Huy!
3 is 4.
Nakapag-book na tayo!
After
Hi everyone.
2 meters.
I might sound like different, but
Ako white ram.
Yeah, baka cute ko pala.
Nahihirapan ako. Namimiss ko na yung bebek.
look at that one.
Tapos mag-aalaga pa ako ng ganito. Tama na rin siguro.
Then show her. Oh my god. Hi everyone. Look at my friends.
Outfit
Especially
check.
her.
Outfit check.
Hey, outfit check. I still look good. As I usually do.
na eyeshadow mo, in fairness. By yours truly.
Yeah.
Pasenda lang sa TG, ha?
Hey, look at here. Oh, don't use that. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this. There, you don't have that. Hi.
Bye! Dapat ko tayo TikTok. See you tomorrow. There will be tomorrow. Hello. Hello, no?
Ben, diyan ka na lang kasi.
So, how was your day?
It was fun.
It was
Day
great.
or it was night?
It's amazing.
Actually, what night pala? Mahi 1